guys, it's you guys Galaxy, and I'm gonna be making Slick and Mayfell. So I'm gonna be dark black galaxy slime, as you can see right here. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, there we go. Oh no, my phone. Now. You take me back to your Carolina, Carolina. I'm playing with this right here. Okay, people to move and tap it. Okay, right now. As you can see, it's behind the camera. Okay, so first I'm gonna put some in there. Who that? I think let's go to the nose. It's a little lotion and mix it in there. I'm about to mixing and mixing. So yeah, like what the crap? What a thing. Okay. Great, okay. So this is the thing where they have I have skin collecting problems. As you see my forehead. But it's cold. Because I have cold hair. Guys, I have acne, so they gave me this. This is for my forehead, and I'm on the bottle because they don't write it on the bottle because it's too many right there with the double that lady said at the store about my. I heard that every time they same thing. I'm like, bro, check me here. 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 100, 100. Like $100 if you get 10 bottles. If you get $10, okay, so they have a price at the store. It's $1 for 1,000. And I have 1,000. I can show you that many. I can show you them. It's too much. When I say too much, I mean too much. So the slime is coming out good. See, I ain't playing with it. It's coming out good, and it's coming out great. So almost done mixing it, so I can become fully irritated. Ooh, look at that slime, bro. Look at that slime, bro. Okay, I'm done. Look at this, guys. There was only a second. Only minutes away. They're probably like 2 minutes. No, not 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes from making this. And it was easy as far. All you need is some lotion. This kind of lotion. To make this slime.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye guys. What a, I don't know. What a, I want to eat all the bananas, Eat the big butters, Carolina, But there goes banana, Peace out.